everyone, welcome back to another video. Today you're going to see me go for a lot of pain. So this is generally what I've been doing for a while, and I thought it'd be good to kind of share with you what torturous things Danny does to me to help kind of prevent and also to fix my, it's not as broken as it used to be. He would tell you. So this is Danny. You might remember him from our squat video. So if you haven't watched that, you know, he was in how to squat. He's a bit camera shy. So I've been working with him for how long now?
About 4 months now.
Yeah. So when I first came to him, he was like, "I'm surprised you can do half of the things you do." So that's how bad it was. And yeah, so it's improved a lot. The treatment, you know, when you go to your therapist, your massage therapist, or your chiro, and you know it's nice and softly, gently, he's not nice. You're going to experience my pain with me. So we're doing everything from so neck, back, my left side, so my left hip and knee sometimes a bit funny. So we might go through that. Some shockwave therapy, and Danny will explain what those are as well as we're doing them. So. Yeah, this is not going to be a fun video for me. It's never fun when I come here, but it's going to be a fun and enjoyable video for you to see me suffer. So yeah, should be a fun one.
Yeah, so here I'm just kind of assessing the movement in the shoulders. We get caught a lot in the external rotation, which is why I kind of find it hard to believe he does so many overhead movements.
See, this is the one that it doesn't look like much, but it's just digging into my traps. I always feel sore after this bit, especially on my traps.
Yeah. So here we're going to be working on rib cage. So we're working mainly on your thoracic spine, which which is where you're going to need the movement to do a lot of overhead lifts and stuff like that, where a lot of people get restricted in. Now we're going to the chest, unfortunately, which is normally
yeah. I can already feel it.
Yeah. This is
it's tight. Because I've been doing a lot of filming this last week.
These are your vanity muscles.
Yeah. Vanity muscles. Never heard that one. Oh, and it's always the right one.
Yeah. It's not as bad as the other one though.
No, it's just all that initial dig into them is just feels like my rib cage's about to pop.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite scary. It's even worse when you use the shockwave on it.
Yeah, no, that's brutal.
It feels like it's literally about to pop.
Biceps are sharp.
Yeah, they're there. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, because I even tried to do that myself.
Yeah, you got nothing coming through there. I don't recommend doing whatever you did.
What's the man in pain that?
Oh god, yeah, it is
Yeah, biceps ain't nice.
Yeah, I'll tell Gymshark I'm not allowed to film again.
Yeah.
Get a body. Yeah, what's it? You know when actors have body doubles. It's probably what I have to do. Oh, mate.
Yeah, stay nice and relaxed. Relax that, mate.
Oh, that sound is so scary.
It's actually going to go quite a bit today.
Yeah?
Yeah, so we're going to put a shockwave down here.
Oh,
Which is going to be a bit
horrendous.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, I even feel that now with your hands. So I could just imagine. Oh, that's the worst place to have it done as well. That and the knees.
Yeah. Anything you burn is just like someone stop.
That's like
This is ultrasound gel.
yeah. So it almost looks like you're getting a scan.
It doesn't feel like a scan.
Nah. The noise is horrendous as well.
Yeah,
and that's probably going to irritate everyone watching it.
Yeah.
Warning.
Ready?
No.
Yep.
Oh, what was that?
On a scale of 1 to 10.
That goes on forever. That is actually normally it's even worse than that. Today there was probably about an 8. It just felt like it went on forever.
Yeah, it's not nice. If you imagine someone like hitting you with a hammer, it
Yeah.
feels like that.
Yeah, you look like you're enjoying yourself. And you look like
I know.
you look like you're hating it.
Oh,
Exercises.
I know what this one is. Yeah.
You hold
Okay.
this here.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can pull you down. Good.
Oh.
And again. It gets a bit weak. And again. Starting to fatigue.
Oh.
Again. A little bit.
Oh.
2 more.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that was tough.
Yeah. Straighten the bottom one. That's good. Let's can do a bit of adjustment down here, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice and relaxed.
Oh.
Good. Not too bad. try and relax.
Yeah.
Nice relaxed deep breath in. And out. Good.
I felt that one a lot.
So this is just a local cryogenic stimulator. So much like where the Shockwave would be pro-inflammatory, this is an anti-inflammatory. So for anything that's had a bit too much work on it, so for instance your knees normally, we just apply this so it's -200. We'll start to see some stuff in a minute.
So basically it's like you know when you go into the chamber, the cryo chamber, this is different. This is like almost, is it a spot?
It's much more specific, so
Yeah.
we can hit the exact areas. So it takes the skin down to 6 degrees, which is cryogenic stimulation. So it just starts having a natural anti-inflammatory effect on the body.
Yeah, it is cold. It's just better than going in a cryo chamber, which I have done before. And how many people do this?
So I think there's 2 in London, including this one,
Yeah.
that do local, and then there's about 3 cryogenic full bodies in London. But
Yeah, it's not that many.
yeah, so it's worth doing.
So yeah, we're done. That's the video. Yeah, I just thought it'd be good to show you guys what my weekly MOT is. So as you get your cars checked up, what is it, once a year? But mine's once a week. So remember, your body is, I always say your body's like an engine and it just needs to be looked after.
Yeah.
Especially if you train the way I do. I think with bodybuilding, maybe I wouldn't have as much much tightness as I do, but at the same time, I love the way I train, so I'm not going to change that. So I'd rather make sure I stay on top of it. So before, when we started, he would have had to spend most of the time on one side. That's how bad I was. Yeah, it's just a testament of how much improvement I've made. So yeah, it's awesome. Anything you have to add?
I don't think so. You've nailed it.
Actually, it's funny enough, but even though he comes across as shy, he's like a friggin', what you do, jet ski racer as a sport, which is like so unexpected, because most people, because you just look at him and think, oh yeah, it's probably a bit of a nerd. Jet ski racer, which is random, and yeah, so if you want to check him out for his jet skiing or get some treatments, why not? I'll put his social media on there. Thank you for having me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, why not? And make sure you subscribe. Peace out.